Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Telegram for dating. First, ensure your profile is complete and appealing. Upload a clear profile picture and write a brief, engaging bio that highlights your interests. This initial step is crucial for making a positive first impression and attracting compatible individuals. Remember, a well-crafted profile can significantly increase your chances of successful connections. Telegram hosts numerous public and private dating groups. To find them, use the search bar with relevant keywords such as singles chat or dating community. Once you join, introduce yourself and participate in conversations. Many groups also organize virtual events or share member profiles, offering diverse avenues to connect. Always review group rules to ensure a positive experience for everyone involved. Telegram's People Nearby feature is a powerful tool for local connections. Enable it in your contacts menu to discover other users within a few hundred meters. You can choose to make yourself visible or just browse. This feature is excellent for meeting people in your immediate area, perhaps at a coffee shop or a park. Always approach new connections respectfully and prioritize your safety. Safety is paramount when dating online. Before sharing personal information or meeting in person, take time to get to know your match. Always suggest meeting in a public place for your first date and inform a friend or family member of your plans. If anyone makes you feel uncomfortable or behaves inappropriately, do not hesitate to block them and report their account. Your well-being is the top priority.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.